Who knew a simple kitchen staple like baking soda could transform your life? From health to home, this tiny white powder is packed with benefits. Discover how to use baking soda daily and its amazing impact. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline compound with antibacterial and pH balancing properties. It's versatile for skincare and digestion. 1. Suffering from heartburn or indigestion. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink after meals. It neutralizes stomach acid, offering instant relief. Limit to 2 or 3 times a week. 2. Feeling the burn? Baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, providing instant relief. Mix half a teaspoon in water and drink slowly. Limit this remedy to occasional use to avoid disrupting your stomach's pH. 3. Struggling with a UTI? Baking soda can help by alkalizing urine, making it less hospitable for bacteria. Add a quarter teaspoon to water and drink once daily for temporary relief. 4. After a workout, a baking soda bath reduces lactic acid buildup, easing soreness. Add half a cup to warm water and soak for 20 minutes. 5. For sparkling teeth and fresh breath, make a paste with baking soda and water and brush your teeth gently once a week. Its abrasive quality removes stains, but overuse can damage enamel, so use sparingly. 6. Combat acne and oily skin with a gentle mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water, apply to your skin for 10 minutes, then rinse. Use once a week to avoid overdrying. 7. High uric acid levels can cause painful gout attacks. Drinking baking soda in water may help lower uric acid and ease discomfort. Consult a doctor before using this remedy regularly. 8. Clear nasal congestion and soothe a sore throat with a baking soda gargle or steam inhalation. Mix 1 teaspoon in warm water or add it to a bowl of hot water for steam. 9. Add half a cup of baking soda to your bath to detoxify and soothe skin irritations. Do this weekly for best results. 10. Ditch chemical deodorants. Use baking soda and water to neutralize odor. Ideal for sensitive skin. Here's a guide for optimal use. For digestion, use up to 3 times a week. For teeth whitening, once weekly to protect enamel. For skincare, once a week. For detox baths, weekly for relaxation. Remember, moderation is key. Baking soda is safe for most people when used appropriately. If you have sensitive skin, kidney issues, or are on a low-sodium diet, consult a healthcare provider. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should use it sparingly. Like, share, and subscribe for more health-transforming tips.